Okay, I think my voice is clear now. How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Pokemon Unbound, a Pokemon fan game or ROM hack, I don't know. Like Mythic Legends. Don't worry, I'm gonna bring back Mythic Legends. And yeah, this is a new game which got finished 5 days ago, I think 5 days ago, and it's pretty popular now. I know something about story. I watched Hero Volt's first episode halfway through, and yeah, this is going to be an introduction and choosing starter video and the 8-bit subtitle. If you are watching this, please comment down below which starter should I pick. And yeah, and I think the music is... Would you like to skip certain cutscenes during the gameplay? Of course not. Okay, I can use the options from long ago. The Boris region was engulfed by a great war with the Kalos region. It was a brutal war, one which lasted many years. During that time, Kalos managed to seize the upper hand. On the brink of defeat, the Borean king summoned a dark force to help turn the tides of battle. The Kalosian army's advantage was lost almost instantly. As soon as it entered the battlefield, the Dark Force used its power to create portals and transport the invading army back to Kalos. With the foreign army gone, the war seemed at an end for Boris. However, their king, overcome by his lust for power, sent the Borean army through all the portals as well. The war continued to rage in Kalos for several years. Many more men and were conscripted to the fight and inevitably met their end on the battlefield. One such Pokemon having been a dear friend of the Kalosian king. As is Floyat. Overcome with grief, the king built a device to restore its life, granting himself immortality in the process. This is so cool. Also, I am making a map for my dream region. I will make a video on soon. If you want that video, comment down below and like this video, share this video and subscribe. I said it. It's been a while I said this. To restore its life, granting himself immortality in the process. But this traumatic event left him scared and filled with anger. Unable to forgive the world that had hurt his precious Pokemon, he turned his machine into a giant weapon, the ultimate weapon. The king became a bringer of destruction at the end of the war. Accent references. With the war over, what little remained of Borean army returned home. The king's Pokemon left him and the battlefield became silent. Yet peace was still yet to come. Enraged over the fruitless war fought, survivors of the war wished for ample compensation from the Borean king. When he had nothing to offer them, they began to manipulate the Dark Force to attack the Borean kingdom in an attempting coup. In effort to stop the madness, the Borean king gathered the legendary Pokemon Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres. Using the power of 3 words combined with the plates of Arceus, the Pokemon that shaped the universe, a prison was created for the Dark Force, sealing its power. I know, it became a shadow of its former self. I know this item, it used to change Hoopant, its unbound form, and it's the story of the game's name. Yay! Stripped of its power, it was taken by the king and supervised by his progeny until one fateful day. 16 years ago. Oh, we are 16 in this game. Okay, Arceus. Yes, I'm gonna pronounce this Arceus because of MNJ TV. Watch him. And yeah, Arceus. I fear my time's almost up. This Pokemon, if this next X-Men goes south, it will fall right into hands. I told him to using its power is dangerous, but without my guidance, I worry that he'll settle on it as an alternate method for arching his goal. And that's why I needed to do this. It's gone. Now it's time for you to go to Arceus. There's no point in you sticking around any longer. Just promise me one thing. Please watch over my child. So, it's after the war in Carlos, it's 3000 years later, right? So, is this 3000 years later or is this earlier? I think it's earlier. Okay, please watch over my child. I think it's earlier because I think it is elsewhere. I'm gonna say this place name is going to be Akimbo. This is a reference to my dream region, and yeah, Akimbo. How can I fulfill my grandpa's wish if I can't even catch a single Pokemon? I promised him I'd finish it, but at this point I don't see how that will be even possible. Please, Arcus, if you are real, give me a sign that everything will work out. What the? A Pokeball here now. Arcus is real after all. This Pokemon. Hoopa! It appears, Grumpy, that there may be a way after all. It's time for the eternal flower to bloom once more. Like the Aegis played. Hey. Pokemon Unbound. Welcome to Unbound. Before you begin playing, please be aware of this is a non-profit fan game. If you paid for this game, reclaim your money immediately. I downloaded it in GB Hacks. Also, I might give the link of this game in the description if I remember it. In the world which we are about to enter will be embark on a grand adventure with you as the hero. The world is a big place. Take your time exploring. There's no rush. Speak to people and check things wherever you go. But be it towns, roads, or caves, the world and its people are alive. As you grow, they will grow along with you. So keep in this mind, your actions can affect and change the world around you. Not every decision you can make will result in the same outcome. With that in mind, you are almost ready to enter the Boris region. But first, choose your character. I am obviously a boy. Skin tone. I am black. Wait. I can have black hair. I want black hair and black skin. Yeah, that's how I look like. I'm an Indian. Choose your hair color. Nice. I'm gonna. Is there a. Yes, there is. Snow is very fitting. But. So, if I am white. You know what? You have this. I will be full black, baby. Yes. What is your name? I'm gonna name myself Electro for the last time, but I will eventually name myself anything ground related because I like the power of ground too. So this is the last time I'm gonna name myself Electro because I don't know this protagonist name and Electro. Okay. Yes. No, casual. Okay. Should we play darker version? You know what? I'm gonna save the darker version for the. Okay, I'm gonna save the. I can save it. Okay. Nuzlocke. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Nuzlocke. Sorry about Gaia. I will do it eventually. Present day. What the? 2 in 1 day? Quick scientist. What are you standing around for? Grab him. Now knock him out and lock him up in the warehouse. Zeph is going to freak out when he hears about this. So this is the darker version. For the lighter version, he's unconscious, Hoopa. Stop. What did I tell you about traveling through my cube space? Just because you cannot travel through your rings anymore, that doesn't give you the right to use my cube without permission. And you were the one who's responsible for bringing these to here. I don't know what you wanted with them, but you've been a nonsense ever since I found you on that beach 16 years ago. I may not be your true guardian, but I'm your trainer now, and you'll obey me. These two won't rescue from me. What a pain. So if I remember it correctly, in the darker version, one person gets killed. Nice. So let's look at our character. Look at that nice black. Whoever says black is the worst color, you suck. You really suck, I would say. You really suck. Because if you like black shinies and if you don't like color black, you have something wrong with you. Where do you think you are going, kid? I'm under strict orders to keep you locked up. Another potion. He's unconscious. What's this? There's something written on his shirt. His name is It's. Hi, Mo. Is it no Mo? Oh, what's going on? Where am I? What's going on? Oh, wait. You are that kid from the down road. Electro, right? Do you know what we're doing here? What? You don't know? So you must be in the same situation as am I. Have you seen any sort of exit around? There is one, but it's blocked by a man dressed in black. Take me there. I'm going to try to break through. I'm gonna save the game. Hey, what do you think you are? Do you think you can get away keeping us locked in here? You'd better let us through right now, or you're going to suffer. Back off, kid. I'm under strict orders to keep you locked up. So scram unless you want to suffer. Smart choice. Keep away from this door and you won't be regretting it. It doesn't look like he's going to move, Electro. We're better looking for another out of way here. Did you hear that, Electro? It sounded like some Pokemon are trapped in that cage over there. Let's go and check it out. The lock appears to be fragile. Break it. The lock has been broken and the cage door is now open. It looks like these Pokemon are grateful and want to join us. If you take one and put them in these Pokeballs I picked up, you can use them to attack the guard and escape. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and choose a Pokemon. And that's first episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. And also say, what starter should I pick? It shows time. I'm recording this on December 15th at 3:50 PM in IST, and I already used an Gibuland and Larutar, Fang and Godzilla. I never used an Beldam. So comment down below what should I use, and it's already been 12 minutes. So yeah, that's a video for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.